Alright, what's going on, guys? So we've got a workshop coming up next weekend, and currently doing this Audi R8 right now. But we've got a workshop coming up next weekend, and I'm going to do a little unboxing of what we have for that workshop. So let's have a look at it. I always like opening up this kind of stuff because it's like Christmas, you know. We've got four boxes here, 5 boxes here. So this is all from Vivid. So let's get to the stuff that we've got for you. And so if you decide to sign up, we've got lots of wrap gloves, all right? We've got some blades. Seems that they've changed them again. I don't know why we have those ones, because I'm used to having these ones. So anyways, so this stuff is provided by them, and the vinyl provided by me. And I got some squeegees. We've got little rolls of wrap cut and bottles of tack reducer and shield guard. All right. So that's that. Let's get into what vinyl we have. So let's start with this one here. So for this one we have purple chrome. All right, purple chrome. Let's check that out. Gloss purple chrome, all right. Pretty fancy stuff. Then, let's stand that there. What else do we have? We have this one's nice. This is a satin blue chrome. Look at that. That is super nice. So let's check that out. So we got a satin blue chrome. Really nice. Pretty excited about that one, actually. And we got 2 more. So this workshop is going to be a level 2 workshop, and we dabble in a little bit of chrome, you know, just to get you guys familiar with it. I'd like to send you guys home with some stuff too, so we usually have a bit left over, and if you're able to take it with you, then great. So we've got this muscular magenta, I believe that's what it's called. Just something a little different. Maybe you like pink, or maybe you got a wife or a girlfriend or whoever. There's a nice pink. Magenta, sorry, not pink. Cool, that looks awesome. And then we have for the last one, we have, looks like a blue. That is a blue, matte blue metallic. Again, I've had this one here before. Super nice color. Very nice finish on it as well. That's it, guys. Alright guys, so out of popular demand, all of the workshops are full. All of the level 2 workshops are full up until our April's full. So you're looking at May or June, which we haven't posted yet. I've got to kind of reserve that a little bit because I don't want to post too far in advance. You guys keep booking it up, but hey, you know, it must be good. The I will have more classes available shortly. I will probably post up May and June around March. I want to wait, give it another month, and because we're kind of far in advance right now. We're now almost 4 months in advance right now for the workshops, so I don't want to fill them up too quickly. I want to give you guys a chance. Keep a lookout on our Instagram at CK Wraps. Keep a lookout on YouTube. Keep a lookout on our Facebook, because we'll post it up when we have available spots for workshops. Now, if you do want to learn Chrome, we do have some space available for the level 3, and the level 3 is the end of March right now. I think it's March 31st and April 1st. That is the advanced level 3 course, and so we do have 3 spots available for that. Only one person is booked in. Don't be intimidated. If you have experience wrapping cars, and you have plenty of experience wrapping cars, and you're comfortable, you feel like you've nailed that, you can then move into Chrome and that kind of training. So let us know, guys. You can email nav@ckwrapstoronto.com, and he'll take care of you. Any questions you have, he forwards them to me anyways. I end up talking to you guys a lot, so I'm able to help out. But yeah, if you have any questions, let us know about workshops and questions about training and that kind of stuff. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoy the video. We will do videos of the actual workshop and what goes on in the workshop, of course, because I always do that. I'll highlight some key points in the workshop so that you understand, you get a feel for what you'll be learning in the workshop. And yeah, that's it, guys.